Okay, so here we have a fast charger from Samsung with a USB Type-C connector in both ends. So you can connect your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, for example, to this charger with a USB Type-C port. So in this box it will be a cable with USB Type-C in both ends for use of this charger. And the charger can fast charge with 45 watt. That's quite impressive actually. 5 ampere. Super fast charging. So let's start with an unboxing of this charger and then we will try it out on this Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So pretty generic standard box as you can see. Not much to see actually, but it's a box. So I think it's here we should open it. Oops. And what's here then? Ooh, super small. Some kind of documentation. And here we have the cable. The USB Type-C cable. Very bad plastic in that one. So quite short USB Type-C cable, but as you can see, USB Type-C in both ends. And what's more in the box? Of course, the charger itself and nothing else. That's what's in the box. And here we have the charger, quite huge, but that's because it's 45 watt. Super fast charging. Nice, 45 watts. And here we have the USB Type-C port. So that's it, and now we will try this with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus to see if it works and so on, and see what it says, how fast this phone will charge. So I will rig this up and we will see later here. Okay, as you can see, we have 80% of battery left on this phone. So now when I plug this charger and the cable into the phone, as you can see now, it starts charging and it says that it will be 32 minutes until full. So it will basically charge 20% in 1/2 hour. And as you can see as proof, I have connected it there into the phone itself. So basically it takes 1/2 hour for 20% with this charger. Pretty standard charging time, I think. I thought it should be faster actually, but that could be because the phone is already charged for 80%. Maybe it's charging faster with lower battery left. Maybe it slows down when it comes up to 80%, who knows. But 30 minutes for 20%. So that's about it for this video. I really love the design and the quality of the charger itself. I can actually recommend buying this charger. It's a Samsung original charger. Okay, bye.